Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be talking about something strange. On certain cars, you know, there's quirks and features, and on the S2000, of course, there are some quirks. So, if you've ever wondered, how is it that certain cars have certain quirks, you just can't explain it. Certain manufacturers, they want to go by different regulations and kind of design things differently. Well, on the S2000, the OBD port is not under the driver side footwell. It's not under there. So I'll be showing you where is the OBD2 port and where can you find it. So that way it makes your life a lot easier. So we'll get into it in a couple minutes. But like we said, so it is not under here. Nope, it is not under there, and if you look under there, you will not find it. So I'm telling you because I was trying to look under here, and I could not find it for the life of me. I was telling myself, where is it under here? Well, it's not. You just can't find it, right? And it is very uncomfortable, but the port itself, you'll see where it's at, and if you start looking under the driver's side, you won't find it. But we'll be looking for it right in the passenger side. So where the OBD2 port is, it's right under here. So if you look on the passenger side, it's right here. So if you're a passenger, you have to go to the passenger side, and it's right under here. This is for the AP1s. I believe the AP2s, they brought it back to the driver's side. So if you're ever looking for the OBD2 port, it's right under here. So yes, it is very uncomfortable. I don't know why they designed it that way, but it's impressive how it is under here. So you just screw over to the passenger side, and you'll be able to find it. So it's a little hidden gem. A lot of people won't notice where that's at, but like I said, go on the passenger side and look under here. It's right here. So it's always good to know that. So very important to be able to so you guys can have a better look. So if you look, this is the passenger side footwell, and that's OBD2 port. Like I said, on the AP1s, that's where it's at, but on the AP2s it's a little different. So it'll be right in the driver's side, so you don't have to worry about finding it, but it is under here. So you just open up the passenger side and make sure you look under this panel. It's right over here. That's the one. So if you guys found this video informative, please like, share, subscribe. I'll be coming up with more videos, and we'll be talking more about different vehicles, different tech. So it's important to kind of enlighten yourself on where that port is, because if you try to look on the left side, left side driver, you're not gonna find it. So you can spend an hour looking for it. You will not find it. So just make sure it's under here. If you look under it, you will find it right there. So that's the one. Thank you guys for watching the video, and I appreciate it very much. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. And thank you very much.